Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So today's video is going to be a foundation review. That's why I'm on camera looking crazy or whatever. So in today's video, we will be reviewing the KVD Beauty Good Apple Foundation. You guys, this foundation was sold out. It went viral on TikTok. The girls are chatting on YouTube. The girls are chatting on Instagram. So I said I have to pick her up and see what she gonna do, because y'all know I have acne prone skin. So we're about to see this foundation, how it acts on acne prone skin. That is a tea I'm gonna give you guys in this video. So if you guys are interested, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. We on the road to 10K. So make sure you guys join the family, because we doing big things over here. Period. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy. Drop a comment down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this review. Okay, so as I mentioned in the intro, this foundation was sold out in Ulta. It was sold out in Sephora. It was basically impossible to get this foundation. It was sold out on KVD's website. So I was like, whenever it comes back in stock, I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up and see, you know, what the girls are really raving about. So y'all know I'm always honest in my reviews. I do not have the time, the energy, or whatever to lie about anything. So all opinions in this video will be mine, and they will be honest, and they will be straight to the point. So just to give you guys some information about this foundation, it is a foundation balm, and it claims to be buildable, full coverage, hydrating foundation balm with a lightweight long wear formula and a fresh matte finish. It's infused with apple extract to help nourish your skin. It minimizes the appearance of pores and gives skin a smooth, healthy look. It's also non-comedogenic, which is the reason why I picked it up, because if you guys watch any of my makeup videos, any of my complexion routines or reviews, I always mention I have acne prone skin. So when it comes to complexion items, I prefer, and I basically mainly use products that are non-comedogenic. So when I saw that this was non-comedogenic, I said let me go ahead and pick her up. Okay, it also claims to be a non-cakey, flashback free foundation that quickly covers blemishes and discoloration for an instant confidence boost. And also the packaging is fully recyclable, and it is a vegan product. And then on Ulta's website, I got this from Ulta on 86th Street, but on the website it says shade matching tip. Some shades look different in the compact than on skin. Use the photos of the shade on skin to help you pick the right shade. So I picked up the shade Tan 074, and I picked my shade based on the descriptions of the tone. So Tan 074 claims to be for tan to deep skin with neutral golden undertones, and then the next one was Tan 076, which was for tan to deep skin with neutral undertones. So I don't even know if this is gonna be my shade. I was gonna get 74 and 76, but they didn't have 76 in the Ulta on 86th Street, so I just got what I could get. So we gonna see if it's the right color. So far I just did my eyebrows. I filled them in and carved them out off camera just so that we can expedite this process. So next I'm gonna go in with my primer. So this foundation, as I mentioned, it claims to have a matte finish, so I am gonna use a hydrating foundation just so that my skin isn't too dry. And the primer that I'm going to use is my holy grail, my Fenty Beauty hydrating primer. You guys know I love this primer. So you guys know that I usually go in with my concealer to correct, but since this foundation claims to have such full coverage, I said we're not doing that today. We need to see the full performance of this foundation. So my skin right now, it's doing okay. I was a little stressed this week, so I feel like I do have some breakouts here. I have a breakout here, something's coming in here, but I say all of that to say my skin is not perfect right now. So my focus on this review is really to tell you guys how this foundation performs on acne prone skin as well as textured skin, because you guys see that I have both of those skin concerns. So this is the foundation. I just took it out of the box packaging. Real cute. I've never used a foundation balm before, so this should be very interesting. So we're gonna get right into it. Okay, so I opened her up. I'm gonna use my Sephora Pro Slanted buffing brush number 88. This is she, and I'm just gonna go into the foundation. I don't know how. Okay, it's a pretty hard consistency, so I took some on my brush. Yeah, this is a moment of truth. Okay, so I'm gonna take my brush and Yeah. What? Nah. Okay, so color match, I think we're doing okay. I think this color is perfect so far. We'll see. But yeah, look at the, like, it just covered it. It said dark spots where hyperpigmentation who. That's what it's giving. Wow. Okay. Okay, KVD. So that's just like one swipe blends it out. Okay, so this is the, I guess we can say before, and this is the after. So I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going. Yeah, what is it? What are you telling me, girl? What is it giving? Do y'all see the subject that matter? Like, I basically went and I think I have enough foundation on, but I'm just gonna go on with my sponge, a nice clean sponge, and I'm just going to, I think it's a little too wet. Ew. Let me dry her up a little bit more. Yeah, I am thoroughly impressed, KVD. Okay, so I'm gonna take my sponge and I'm going to basically blend around my hairline because I didn't want to get too close, and under my eye. You guys, my skin, this looks so good, and it doesn't even really feel heavy, and also the foundation doesn't smell like anything. I thought it was gonna smell like apple, and I don't really like the smell of apple, so once I saw apple, I'm just like, ugh. But it don't smell like nothing, girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to complete my face. I'll do a time lapse so you guys can see. I just want to see how it meshes with other products that I use, and I'm just gonna do my standard routine. I'm going to highlight, I'm going to bronze, I'm going to set, and we're gonna see how everything calibrates together. I am gonna do a wear test too, because I do have to record like some fashion videos after I do this review. So I'm gonna wear it for a couple of hours and come back at the end and tell you guys what the real tea is. Okay, so let me go ahead and finish my face and then we'll reconvene.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not fake. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make.
Y'all, let me talk to y'all real quick, okay? So I went ahead and finished my face up. So this is how the skin is looking. I just did a little quam bead, little quam something, you know what I'm saying? But I did notice that when I was blending the concealer, some of my dark spots did become visible. So I feel like if I use this foundation again, we'll see. I do want to do my regular routine of where I highlight first and then go around the highlighted areas with my foundation, but I just wanted to put the foundation all over today just to show you guys like how it covers my whole face. But going forward, I'm gonna go back to what I've been doing, my little highlight first, foundation on the outside, so we can save some product as well. But overall, I love how my face looks. I love this lippy combo. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to get ready to go record my other videos. So the time is currently 4:52, so I'll probably be done around like 8-9 o'clock. So that'll probably be like a 4 or 5 hour wear test. But I do just want to see how she lasts throughout the day. Like, does she get oily? Does she get cakey? Do we see any initial breakouts? Do we see any skin irritation? I'm interested to see. But as always, I'm not able to tell you guys like if it can work for acne prone skin right away. I like to test it out for about a week and see. So I will give you guys an update on that in one of my upcoming vlogs, so make sure you guys stay tuned to that. That's another reason why y'all should subscribe to my channel to hear, you know, my everlasting thoughts about my products that I review. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to do my videos now, and then I'll be back with you guys once I'm done to give you guys my overall thoughts and opinions. Okay, so it's currently 6:45 and I feel like it is time to blot my face. As I told you guys, I'm recording videos, so I did, you know, I need to make sure that I look good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and blot my face using my e.l.f. blotting sheets. But before I blot it, I wanted to show you guys the oil production on my face. So I feel like that was kind of quick. 2 hours, what is it? Yeah, like almost 2 hours in, and I feel like I have to blot, which I don't think is the case with other foundations that I wear. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and blot. I just wanted to pop in and let you guys know. Okay, so this is my face after I blotted. Much better, much better. But yeah, that was kind of quick. Hey guys, I am back. It's currently 9:46 p.m. I went ahead and recorded my videos. I had a meal slash a snack and I had to come on back. Okay, so this is my skin after, what time was it? It was like 4:50 when I finished my face, and it's currently 9:50. So 9 minus 4, 5 hours. But yeah, this is my skin. So as you guys saw, I did blot one time throughout the day, and I did notice something. So what I noticed was that when I blotted my face, I was recording a video and it was hot in my room. I was like doing a lot of moving around, so I was sweating. So that's what caused like my face to look so oily, because for the past 2-3 hours I've just been sitting down. So I did notice, like, you know, while I was chilling, my face has been fine since I blotted. Like, I only blotted my face that one time. So foundation doesn't claim to be sweat proof. If you're in a hot environment, if you plan on going on vacation, I wouldn't recommend this foundation, because when I saw that performance, I'm just like, but then once I realized, once I was chilling, like it was fine, I'm like, yeah, you can't wear this foundation if you plan on sweating, if you're going to be in a hot environment, if you're going on vacation, summertime. I wouldn't really recommend this foundation. But that's just my thoughts based on my little experience in my 4x4 room, because I'm like, imagine if I'm like out in the sun, like what would have happened if we added in that factor. But yeah, I just wanted to come back to show you guys my final face and tell you guys my final thoughts and opinions. So let's go ahead and get into it, okay? So I did want to blot my face one more time for the one time, just so that we can see like what she looks like if we blot. Because I usually blot throughout the day, but I won't blot until maybe like 4 hours into my like makeup wear. So the fact that I had to blot 2 hours and I was recording videos, I'm like, girl, you're looking kind of greasy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blot one more time. My makeup around my nose started breaking up to and under my eye. And these blotting sheets are from e.l.f. They're $2. So if you're looking for some blotting sheet options, or if you don't know about blotting sheets and I put you on, these are the best blotting sheets and they're only $2. So when you blot your face, it basically removes the oil from your face without, I mean, like some of the makeup did come off, but it doesn't like wipe your face off, if that makes sense. And this pack comes with 30 sheets, so it lasts a good amount of time. This is our face after we blotted. And I did want to point out that around my mouth is peeling because I used and exfoliated last night, so that ain't got nothing to do with the performance of the foundation. So overall, I am a fan of how my face looks. I think that my makeup looks fine. As I mentioned, I did notice breakage of my makeup around my nose and under my eyes, but that usually happens, so I'm not gonna sit here and say like, oh, it's the foundation. It usually happens. Okay, overall, I think I like it. I like it. I'm a fan. I don't think that it highlighted like texture on my face any more than any other foundation that I have used did. So I did want to note that for anyone who has textured skin, it didn't like highlight my, and when I say highlight, I mean like crackle around that area or like just make it stand out more. I didn't notice anything like that with this foundation. I feel like it's a matte finish, but it's not like a drying matte finish. It literally feels like I have nothing on my face. So I do want to note that it's very full coverage, but it has a light weight. What else did I want to say? Color match, I feel like it was perfect. 74 is my color. So if you are a 410 in Fenty Beauty or a Macau in NARS complexion products, then 74 is what I would recommend. Y'all can let me know what y'all think down below, but I think this is a perfect match if I do say so myself. Okay, as far as the price of this foundation, it is $38. I'm not sure if I mentioned that earlier, but I feel like that's comparable to other full coverage foundations that are on the market. So the price wasn't a problem to me at all. I feel like I got my money's worth. So overall, what are my thoughts and opinions? I like this foundation. I feel like it definitely lived up to the hype. The only thing that hit me off guard was that it's not sweat proof, but it didn't claim to be, so I can't be mad. You know what I'm saying? You get what you get. Like, you get what you get. I do feel like it did minimize the appearance of pores. I will say that my pores aren't as like present as they are when I use other products. I did notice that a lot, so I will say that that claim, they were spot on. I also did not notice any immediate irritations of my skin using this product. As I mentioned, I do have acne prone skin, so me wearing it for the 5 hours that I wore it, I won't be able to tell you guys that if it made me break out, but I am going to continue to use this product, and I will give you guys an update in an upcoming vlog. So make sure y'all subscribe and make sure y'all tune in into my videos so you guys can hear my thoughts and opinions as I continue to use this product. But overall, I feel like it's worth the hype. I'm gonna say it, I'm gonna admit it, I feel like it's worth the hype. So if you guys are interested in this foundation, I would recommend for you guys to try it out. And if you guys are interested in getting it from Sephora during the sale, don't miss out. 10, 15 or 20% off until April 19th. If you guys didn't check out my Sephora sale info video and my wish list, I'll link that above and down below and in the end screen, so you guys can just check it out right after. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I hope you guys enjoyed this demo. If you guys did, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're on the road to 10K. Give this video a big thumbs up and drop a comment down below. Let me know if there's any other complexion products you guys would be interested in seeing me review. Leave that down in the comments as well. Let me know what y'all think about my face. Comment down below and let me know. If it's a go, then gas me up in the comments, period. And that's it for this video. So until my next video, which will be tomorrow, because this was like an extra video, because y'all know I don't drop on Saturdays, but I had to put y'all on, okay? So until my next video, which will be tomorrow, I'll see you guys later.